how to use Google Authenticator with TikTok. So if you want to use Google Authenticator with TikTok, then first you need to make sure that you've installed the Authenticator application. And once you install the Authenticator, you just need to simply go with the TikTok. So search for TikTok and open up your TikTok application. Once you open, go with the profile option, which is on the bottom right. Once you're on the profile, now go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings and privacy, and then you need to go with security and permissions. And under that, here you will have two-step verification. You just need to simply go and turn on the two-step verification, and then here you will have Authenticator, right? So you just need to simply tap on Authenticator, and you need to turn on the Authenticator. So you need to simply copy the key which you have right here, and then tap on Next, and here you will get the code from the Authenticator app. So you just need to simply open up your Authenticator, and you need to tap on plus, which is on the bottom right, and then go with enter a setup key. And here you need to enter the account name. So I'll be choosing TikTok, and then paste the key which you have just copied. And here you will have add option. Tap on add. Once you tap on add, now here you will get the code, right? So you just need to simply tap on the code and copy the code. Go with TikTok, paste the code right here, and enter the mobile number, or you can simply skip this part which is on the upper left. And once you enter the code which you have from the Authenticator, then your Google Authenticator will be turned on your TikTok, and you'll be able to use the Authenticator. So that's how you can use the Google Authenticator with TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.